of a melody, and it sounded sweet to me. Thought I'd get up and take a look around, but my feet got in the way. Stumbled to the floor, she was right at the door. I could see her face, but how could it be? She ran away from me. My best friend's gone. I'm so all alone. I kinda miss you, Brandy. I'm so all alone. When are you coming back home? I really miss you, Brandy. Missing you every day. Are you coming home to stay? Sipping on a cherry soda bar, building houses in the sand. Like a little child with a fantasy, just a fraction of a man. But I was in love when they put her down on my doorstep in the rain. I could feel the love coming through my heart, through my window pane. But how could it be? She ran away from me. My best friend's gone. I'm so all alone. I really miss you, Brandy. When are you coming back home? I'm so all alone. I really miss you, Brandy. Missing you every day. Are you coming? When I saw you standing there, I about fell off my chair. And when you move your mouth to speak, I felt the blood go to my feet. It took time for me to know what you tried so not to show. Something in my soul just cried. I see it all in your blue eyes. Baby, I love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you love me to want you the way that I want you. If you'd only let it be. You taught yourself years ago you'd never let your feelings show. The obligation that you made for the title that you gave. Baby, I love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you love me to want you the way that I want you. If you'd only let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be, let it be. I can't get you off my mind. No. I'm spaced out sometimes, yeah. You are my hopes and dreams, yeah. You are my pride and joy. I need you so much, I'm having sweet dreams.
Right here, Rasta,
my pillows are wet from the tears I cry. You got to come back, baby, to me. You got to come back, baby, to me. You got to come back, baby. I can't get you off my mind, no. I sleep with you on my mind, yeah. I talk with you on my mind. I eat with you on my mind. Yeah. Every time are my pride and joy. I can't get you off my mind, no. Some people say love is blind, yeah. When I see your picture on the wall, tears full my eyes, in my heart I say a prayer. You got to come back, baby, to me. You got to come back, baby, to me.
It's a lesson too late for the learning. Made of sand, made of sand. In the wink of a night, my soul is turning in your hands, in your hands. Are you going away with no words of farewell? Will there be no trace left behind? Well, I could have loved you better. I didn't mean to be unkind. You know that was the last thing on my mind. You got reason plenty for going. This I know. Yes, I know. For the week has been sadly growing. Please don't go. Please don't go. Are you going away with no words of farewell? Will there be no trace left behind? Will I could have loved you better? I didn't mean to be unkind. You know that was the last thing on my mind.
Please give me a chance so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance so that I
Serious
can make
music
things
right
right
here, Rasta,
with
yes.
you. I must apologize, 'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, seem I was only playing a fool. So just one more chance, so we can talk this thing over. One more chance, 'cause I don't wanna end as the loser. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. I must apologize, 'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, team, I was only playing a fool. So please give me a chance so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance so that I can make things out with you. After you made my day, hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life began to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. But what more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I know that you'll return real soon. Alright, you can send me a postcard, mail it home to Deuce in Yard.
Okay.
You know what loneliness brings, but I will guide you out and coming in. What more can I say? Yeah, sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving.
While I'm far away from you, my baby, I know it's hard for you, my baby, because it's hard for me, my baby. Yes, in the darkest hours before dawn. Each night before you go to bed, my baby, whisper a little prayer for me, my baby, and tell the good Lord above, this is dedicated to the one I love. Life could never be exactly like we want it to be. Can I be satisfied knowing that you love me? One thing I want you to do, especially for me, and it's something everybody needs. Each night before you go to bed, my baby, whisper a little prayer for me, my baby, and tell the good Lord above, this is dedicated to the one I love. Oh, the one I love.
Serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
While I'm far away from you, my baby,
Rock me, baby. Rock me out here on the floor. Come on. Rock me, baby. Rock me till I want no more. Oh, that sweet, sweet reggae music playing. The smell of perfume fills the air. The mood is right. Come hold me tight. Ooh, let's dance, romance, while we still have the chance. Come on, come on. Rock me, baby. Rock me out here on the floor. Rock me, baby. Rock me till I want no more. There's a feeling of love deep inside me. This heart of mine is pounding in my brain. I feel the fire, I feel desire. Ooh, let's dance, romance, while we still have the chance. Come on, come on. Rock me, baby. Yeah, rock me out here on the floor.
Come on and rock me some more. Come on and rock me on the floor. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, some more. I found. It's safe and sound. I'll be your song. Sing me all day long. Love so divine. Can't stand the test of time. Come on and rock me some more. Come on and rock me on the floor. Baby, I called you, I chosen. You got to be aware of the words that you've spoken.
Some serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
I even touch the sky. above the falling rain. I feel so good in my neighborhood, so here I come again. I got to have Kaya now.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Got to have Kaya now.
Some serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
Kaya now. For the rain is falling. Play some music, reggae music. Play some music, reggae music. Root rock reggae, just a reggae music. Root rock reggae, just a reggae music. Hey, Mr. Music, you sure sound good to me. I can't refuse it. What to be got to be. Feel like dancing, dance 'cause we are free. Feel like dancing, come dance with me. Roots rock reggae, this a reggae music. Root rock reggae, yeah, this a reggae music.
Serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
Play some music, reggae music. Play some music, reggae music. Play on the R&B, want all my people to see. We're bubbling on the top 100, just like a mighty dread. Play on the R&B, want all my people to see. We're bubbling on the top 100, just like a mighty dread. Root rock reggae, this a reggae music, Root rock reggae, give it up for this.
Whoopee, come on and tune me. I said you're riding, 'cause this your session is vital.
Okay.
Check see, come on and bite it. I said you're roping, 'cause this your rhythm is vital. And it's a cool running. I know dancehall are the nights. Tell you it's a cool running. The rhythm a go drip like sugar and spice in a cool running. Just rock with your DJ all night long. I say now, cool running. All of these jockey play your favorite song in a ropey. Come on and tune me. I said to riding, 'cause this rhythm is vital. Check see, come on and groove me. I said to ropey, 'cause this your session is vital. And it's a cool running. We all are gonna rock till broad daylight singing cool running. We hiding, we don't need no fuss, no fire. Say now, cool running. It's a long, long time, we don't have no nice time, yeah. Cool running, just rock to it.
There's a land that I
No, 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 no.
Pardon me, strength and honor is all I see. Oh, give thanks unto the Almighty God. He showed me what I had, he said. Stand firm and keep the faith. Oh, your reward shall be great. So now I see the day when I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem. Okay. I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one. Stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one. Stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon. Stepping out of Babylon. I've got no alternative in a Babylon.
No, no, no,
But I
no.
know, yes I know, there's a Mount Zion. But oh, someday his children will find the way. So get up, and don't let the devil lead you astray. Stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion.
If you wanna live, treat me good. If you wanna live, I beg you treat me good. I'm like a walking razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous.
Serious
Say I'm
music right here,
dangerous.
Rasta,
I'm
yes.
like a walking razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous. If you are a bully, treat me good. If you are a bully, I beg you treat me good. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous. If you are a jockey, nobody jockey for me. If you are a jockey, nobody jockey for me. Yeah. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. I'm so dangerous. I'm like a chopping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous. If you eat asphalt, then you treat me good. If you drink lead soup, you better treat me good. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous. If you are bullbucker, nobody buck from me. Yeah. If you are dopey, move away from me. I'm like a stepping razor, don't you watch my size, I'm dangerous. I'm like a stepping, walking size, I'm dangerous. Dangerous.
serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
They tried their best to hide you, Mama, but I search and I find you, Mama. Oh, what you doing, my Mama? Mama Africa, long time no see you, Mama. In you there's so much beauty, yeah. In you there's so much light, yeah. In you there's so many kingdoms, yeah. To me it's out of sight, yeah. Mama Africa, oh, what you doing, my Mama? Yeah, Mama Africa, yeah. Long time no see you, Mama.
Africa unite, cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're going to our father's land. Okay. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man, yeah, to see the unification of all Africans, yeah. Has it been said already? Let it be done, yeah. We are the children of the Rastaman. We are the children of the Higher Man. Africa unite, cause the children wanna go home, yeah. Africa unite, cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land. Yeah, how good and how pleasant it would be before God and man to see the unification of all Rastaman. Yeah, has it been said already? Let it be done. I tell you who we are under the sun. We are the children of the Rastaman. We are the children of the Higher Man. So Africa unite, Africa unite, yeah. Unite for the benefit of
The promised land, going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land.
Some serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
Take a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamani land. Riding on the kids highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, to the promised land. Oh, to the promised land. Yeah. There's plenty of land for you and I. By and
Could you possibly rewind and come again?
to share. Pull up. Hey.
I know you're gonna dig this.
The promised land, going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Yeah. Make a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamani land. Riding on the kids highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, to the promised land. Oh, to the promised land. Well, there's plenty of land for you and I.
promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land. Oh,
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh, 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 yeah.
Some serious music right here, Rasta, yes.
Said we're riding on the King's Highway from Cairo to Kenya. Made a stop in Asmara, then we made another one in Addis Ababa. The promised land, going to the promised land. Oh God, save the promised land. Yeah, I'm the promised land. Oh, then I said to myself, give a thanks for the prophet God, for he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality of my true being and liberty. There's a lot of work to be done, oh God, in the promised land. Yeah, talking about the promised land. Yes, to the promised land.